Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can outset the text in your documents or canvases on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. Let me remove that text here and show you how it works. So in the first step, navigate to the text tool here on the left hand side, position your text box and enter or type in your text. Let me resize this so that we may see this for demonstration purposes, or you may also zoom in and pan. So what you want to do is click into the given object, which in this case is this text box or that text box. After that, click into path here at the top. And here guys, you will see the outset feature, two of them. Outset, inset, and there's also offset. So I will go with outset. You may also use this shortcut here. And you will see the effect here, for example, for the outline. You may reverse this by clicking into inset and you will see the reverse effect of it. That's how you outset text or text boxes on Inkscape in 2026. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.